Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope all is well. So we are here at my kitchen again, and for those who's new here, thank you for tuning in today, and nice to meet you. By the way, my name is Maricel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make ube condensed milk cupcake. Pangalawang beses ko na to na gawa, guys, and it is really good. And here's our ingredients. We will be needing a all-purpose flour. This is 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's start off with the dry ingredients, okay? And this is the 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We need also 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And as you can see, we do have a ube powder or a purple yam ube powder in here. Since I don't have a Ube Halaya, we can use this one as a substitute, and this is what I use. I bought this in Amazon. Any brand will do, it's fine. So now we do need also, this is a 4 piece of eggs, beaten eggs in here, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We do need a condensed milk. I chilled this condensed milk for almost 2 hours before I film myself. Before I start filming, I mean, but this is optional. If you don't want to chill it, it's fine. And we need also cheese. I decided to put cheese on top of my cupcakes, just like, you know, some kind of like puto something, but it tastes really good. I am using an American cheese, so I'm not gonna put this on the mixture on top of it while steaming it, because it's gonna melt right away. So I'm going to put a cheese on top of our mixture when it's almost ready, like 2 minutes left or 1 minute left, 1 minute left, something like that. And by the way, I almost forgot, of course, we do need an ube extract. We only need 2 teaspoons of this one. And all right, let's get started. All right, mga loves, let's start off with our dry ingredients. So we have here the all-purpose flour. Let's sift all the dry ingredients. Here's the what is it called, baking powder, and then our cornstarch, our salt, except for with the sugar, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead do the purple yam ube powder mix with all these dry ingredients afterwards. Good enough. And then I'm going to add on the ube powder, and then let's give this a mix. Just make sure that it's well combined. So now let's work with our wet ingredients. So let's see, here's the melted butter in here, and then let's go ahead put our sugar, I'm sorry. Now let's put our beaten eggs. Now let's add our condensed milk. We need to use all this, the whole can, mga loves, okay? Alright, let's mix it up. I'm just gonna make sure that everything is well incorporated. Alright, so condensed milk is there ready. Now we can add on now the vanilla extract. And then the ube flavor or ube extract that we have here. We are going to use 2 teaspoons of these. And let's give this a mix. So and now we are going to add our dry ingredients into our mixture. Not all, maybe let's start off with half of it. Give it a mix. Our mixture, mga loves, is ready. So it should be like this. The consistency, it should be like thick. Alright, so we are going to transfer this to our cupcake liners. So I have few in here, and I tried to make this rice cooker ready as well. I'm gonna try not to make a mess, but it is what it is. So we are not going to fill all the way here on the top. It's just like at least 3/4 of the amount, mga loves, because it will rise because we put a you know, the baking powder. Probably a little bit more than that. So like alright, my loves, let's check it out. It's been 20 minutes now. So let's insert the toothpick in the middle. So if it is clean, then that means it's cooked. So yep, I probably have to wait like 1 minute more, but while doing that, I am going to put on the cheese on top. And you can do any frosting, any kind you like. Alright, let's wait again like a minute or two. Alright, mga loves, it's testing time. Sakto lang yung tamis niya, and it's soft. And this is perfect for merienda, mga loves. So I hope you'll give this a try at home. I hope you learned from this video today, and if you do like it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.